The D50 is HEISHA's smallest drone dock yet, providing an automated charging solution for a wide variety of commercial off-the-shelf drones for remote operations. The D50 provides a drone-in-the-box, fully autonomous drone charging solution for a wide variety of commercial off-the-shelf COTS drones using 2S/4S batteries, including DJI Phantom and Mavic series, as well as drones from Skydio, Autel, and Parrot. The new 50 cm charging pad relies upon an upgraded precision landing system, accurate to 3 cm. HEISHA's smallest drone dock still offers total weather protection, temperature control, security, and safe charging, but now is more easily transported for temporary installation, weighing only 55 kilograms, about 120 pounds, with detachable components. Designed to function in harsh environments, the HEISHA system boasts an IP55 protection rating. The D50 is rainproof, snowproof, and has a layer of thermal insulation and an energy-saving air conditioner, ensuring that charging takes place under safe temperature conditions. The D50 is also equipped with rain, humidity, and wind sensors in the dock. Drone-agnostic charging docks enable fully remote operations where regulations allow, but provide customers with the choice of easily available hardware. For industrial applications from mining to solar panel monitoring and inspection, remote drone operations offer a significant advance for enterprise drone programs. Designed for autonomous operations, the HEISHA D50 allows operators to monitor and adjust the station remotely through HEISHA's Q100 monitoring and maintenance platform. Read more commercial drone news on dronelife.com.